everybody. Hi, how you guys been? So I recorded a intro and an outro, but I don't like how they turned out, so I'm gonna do the intro and outro in the voiceover. But yeah, it's Gucci. It's okay. I could do it in the voiceover. It's okay. So as you guys just saw, I took the Jaclyn Hill palette and I took the color that I showed you guys and put it in my crease as a transition. And now I'm taking this birthday palette from NYX Cosmetics and taking the color that I just showed you guys, putting that on the I believe the outer parts of the eye. Yeah, in the crease. So yeah. And guys, I'm obsessed with this look, like, oh my god, yes. And I forgot to show you guys the palette and what black I was taking. I took the Revolution palette and I just took the black in that. I think it's called Reloaded, the palette. Everything will be down below for you guys in order, just in case I don't mention anything and I'm just off track, because most likely I will be off track. Like, I'll just be talking about random things like I am now. So everything will be down below for you guys, just in case I don't say anything about it. But yeah, I'm literally obsessed with this look. And I have some news. So yeah, you're probably wondering why a video is, like, why is it up on a Thursday? Today and all the way to Halloween, I am posting Halloween makeup looks. I am so freaking excited. I wanted to do it this whole month of October, but that's too much for me. Let's just do like a week and it'll be okay. It'll be Gucci. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I have all the videos planned out. I'm doing the voiceover the same day it's going up. And I'm about to record another video for you guys for tomorrow. So I'm very excited, and that one's going to be so cute and so pretty. So get ready for tomorrow's video. But that color that I just showed you guys from the Revolution palette, I took that on a smaller brush, but then I was like, yeah, this is taking forever. So I just took it on a bigger brush and just like bronzed and contoured my face. I just want to look dead and like demon-like. I don't want to use like a warm bronzer and then like it looks like I'm alive. No, I want to look dead, so I used like a gray kind of eyeshadow, like, yeah, a gray eyeshadow, and then I just started contouring my like collarbones, my neck, just to look really dead and look like I'm super skinny, like I haven't eaten in days. So that's what I'm trying to do, and I really like how it turned out. It looks super Gucci, it looks like I'm dead, and I really wanted to do something on my chest to bring the whole look together, because if I didn't, then it wouldn't look as good, like if I just did the face, and then like I look dead in the face, but then my whole body I look alive. Yeah, want to make my body look dead, so that's what I was doing. And then I just put black eyeliner in my waterline. That will be down below for you guys, because I honestly don't remember what it's called, so it'll be down below for you guys. And then I just smoke it out with this eyeshadow. And if I'm talking too fast for you guys, I am so sorry. Like, girl, I know I talk too fast. I'm confusing, I realize that. Yeah, so we're going to take this color right here and just help blend that out a little bit more. And then in a minute, you guys are going to see me try to put on the horns, which is, I forgot what it's called. What is it called? Oh my god. But it's like some kind of Play-Doh, and it's not Play-Doh, but it's Play-Doh. I don't know. It's for like kids to like do, like make things on their, like, for themselves, and like it gets hard overnight or whatever, like 36 hours, not really overnight, but you know what I mean. And yeah, so I try to put these on with lash glue, but it did not work at all. So I was like, you know what, let's do the mouth first, and then we'll move on to the horns last. So because like it was hard for me, so I was like, yeah, let's push that aside. So I took my eyebrow pencil. I don't remember the brand, but it'll be down below for you guys. Also my lashes, and also the brand of like of the horns. Like, I made them myself, but it like comes in like a block and like a package. So, and that brand will be down below for you guys. Yeah. Model Magic. I think it's called that. I'm pretty sure it's called Model Magic. But it'll be down below for you guys. But I took my brow pencil and just shaped out what I wanted for my mouth. And then I took black face paint, which you could find literally anywhere because it's Halloween month and it's going to be everywhere. I'm sure of it. So just go to your local drugstore. I'm sure it'll be there. And I just fill in those things I made, just random shapes. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's supposed to be looking like a demon, like trying to eat your soul. So like, you know, you don't have to be perfect with this. And then I took a white face paint and just blended in the center of some of these, well, all of these, to just have definition. And then later on I take a black and then I blended it out, and then I took more white, blended it out, more black, blended it out. Yeah, it just to make sure everything's blended. So you want to make sure everything's blended and nothing's really harsh, because even though we're a demon, we don't want anything looking harsh. We want everything looking flawless. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. And then I took the black and I just like went around some edges of the things, like the mouth kind of looking thing, just to look like someone stretched it out and opened, because this is supposed to be looking like it's in my, like you see in my mouth but no teeth. You know, I have nothing because my soul is darkness. So yeah, someone like stretched my skin out. That's what I kind of wanted to go for, you know. I was inspired by a picture by this part. So yeah, but it just gives the illusion like everything's stretched out. And then I took Elmer's glue. Not the best choice, but I took Elmer's glue. It's really like, I don't recommend this at all. I used a little bit of nail glue. Don't do it, just don't. But it worked. So I mean, yeah. And I just put a little bit of nail glue in the center and just stuck them on, and it perfect. And then I took black eyeshadow to go like just a little bit around the horn, just so it's like it looks like it's coming from my freaking forehead. Yeah, so it's not like it's just horns popping out. But I really love how this looked. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below what you guys want to see next, and yeah, subscribe if you're new. And I don't think anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.